Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important question and answers of Pakistan studies relating the history of subcontinent after 1857 and the Pakistan movement. Question: Qaid-e-Azam called Islam our bedrock and sheet anchor while addressing. Answer is Punjab Student Federation. Question: The resolution for formation of All India Muslim League was passed at the meeting of All India Mohammedan Educational Conference 1906 and was moved by. Answer is Nawab Salimullah. Question: The demand of separate electorate for Indian Muslims was first accepted in the Act of. Answer is 1909. Question: The provincial governments of Congress resigned and All India Muslim League as a mark of relief observed the day of deliverance on. Answer is 22nd December 1939. Question: The Lahore Resolution was amended and Pakistan was made an integral part of League's objective. The amendment was made in the annual session 1941 of All India Muslim League, which was held at. Answer is Madras. Question: The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were enacted on. Answer is 23rd December 1919. Question: Anjuman-e-Islamia Punjab was founded for the Renaissance of Islam in the year. Answer is 1859. Question: Pakistan Constitution should incorporate the essential principles of Islam, which are as good and relevant in our day as were 1300 years ago. But Pakistan should not be a theocratic state ruled by priests. This statement was given by. Answer is Qaid-e-Azam. Question: Who presided the first session of the Congress? Answer is W.C. Banerjee. Question: Who was considered as the first student of Darul Uloom Deoband? Answer is Maulana Qasim Nanotwi. Question: Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was formed on. Answer is 24 September 1884. Question: Name the person who laid the foundation of Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam and also became its first president. Answer is Khalifa Hamiduddin. Question: The foundation of Sindh Madrasatul Islam was laid by Hassan Ali in the year. Answer is 1885. Question: Identify the year of establishment of Islamia College Peshawar. Answer is 1913. Question: When Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was born? Answer is 1878. Question: Who was the founder of Central National Mohammedan Association? Answer is Sayyid Amir Ali. Question: When the Urdu Defense Association was formed? Answer is 1900. Question: Anand Math novel that contained the anthem Bande Mataram was written by. Answer is Bankim Chatterjee. Question: Dash left politics and promised after the annulment of the partition of Bengal. Answer is Nawab Salimullah Khan. Question: when the Hindus started the Swadeshi movement against the British to protest the partition of Bengal? Answer is 7th August 1905. Question. The Muslim League was formed in Dhaka on. Answer is 30th December 1906. Question. The similar deputation under the leadership of Sir Aga Khan met the Viceroy on. Answer is 1st October 1906. Question. Who was appointed first president of Muslim League? Answer is Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah. Question. Who divided Bengal into East and West Bengal in July 1905? Answer is Lord Curzon. Question. Diarchy was first introduced in the Act of. Answer is 1919. Question. The resolution of non-cooperation with British government was passed in the meeting of All India National Congress in 1920, which was held at. Answer is Kolkata. Question. The Simon Commission arrived in India on. Answer is 3rd February 1928. Question. The British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award in 1932 at the end of. Answer is Second Round Table Conference. Question. When the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy was occurred? Answer is 13 April 1919. Question. Who is the author of Hunter per Hunter? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question. Who drafted Varda scheme under the guidance of Gandhi? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question. How many Muslim seats were secured by All India Muslim League in 1945-46 elections of provincial assemblies? Answer is 425. Question. Who presided over the session of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on 10th August 1947? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Question. Who rejected the theory of composite nationalism advanced by the Indian National Congress? Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Question. The Nadwatul Ulema was established in which of the following years? Answer is 1894. Question. The firing on Jallianwala Bagh was ordered by. Answer is General Dyer. Question. Sayyid Amir Ali formed the London chapter of the Muslim League in. Answer is 1908. Question. The first meeting of Khilafat Committee President by Maulana Fazlur Rahman was held on. Answer is 23rd November 1919. Question. Where the headquarters of All India Muslim League was set up? Answer is Lucknow. Question. Who of the following has the privilege to write the first constitution of the Muslim League? Answer is Muhammad Ali Johar. Question. The chairman of the first session of the Muslim League held at Karachi was. Answer is Adamji Peer Bhai. Question. What was the name of the first constitution of the Muslim League? Answer is Green Book. Please subscribe this channel and like and share the video.